Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Abstract Testnet Airdrop. Now Abstract has managed to raise the overall funding of around 11 million US dollars, and it's basically a consumer crypto chain, and it's rewarding the developers and the builders on the Abstract chain with a decent rewards. Now this should be a potential airdrop. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now, before we move on to abstract airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505 at the time of sign up. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. In order to farm the abstract chain airdrop, you will need to go ahead and download a Metamask wallet if you don't have one. Simply go ahead and download Metamask wallet and set it up on your Chrome browser. Now once you are here, you can sign up on abstract airdrop farming page. All the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. So once you go ahead and sign up and connect your Metamask wallet over here, you will need to go ahead and complete certain basic tasks like liking their post on Twitter. So there are a lot of posts over here, and then you can go ahead and share the news about the new quest and follow them on Twitter. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and create an account on Alchemy if you don't have one. Simply go to Alchemy. On the top right, select Ethereum Sephia, and once you connect your Metamask wallet, or alternatively you can go to your Metamask wallet, copy your Metamask wallet address and paste it over here and click on send me ETH. Within like 10 to 15 seconds, this testnet Sephia would be reflected on your Metamask wallet. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can go to this link Sephia faucet and you can mine 2.5 ETH every day. So once again, go to Metamask wallet, copy your Metamask wallet address, paste it over here, click on I am human and click on start mining. It will approximately take around 10 to 15 minutes for the ETH to be reflected in your Metamask wallet. Now once you complete all of this, simply go to Abstract Bridge and bridge some ETH from Ethereum Sephia to Abstract Testnet. So if I go to transfers over here, as you can see, I have already bridged 0.05 ETH from Sephia to Abstract. And alternatively, what you can do is you can also bridge from Abstract to Ethereum Sephia. So I would suggest is doing 5 to 7 transactions a week. Don't spam it too much, else your wallet would be marked as Sibyl. And you can also request for some abstract ETH testnet tokens by going to this faucet. Once again, go back to your Metamask wallet, copy your Metamask wallet address, paste it over here and click on request 0.001 ETH. Now once you complete all of this task, simply head to layer 3. Go ahead and create a profile on layer 3 if you don't have one. Connect your Metamask wallet and complete this task, panoramic governance on abstract. So as you can see, I have already completed this. And the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and create an account on Galaxy, connect your Metamask wallet and complete all of this Galaxy task and quests that are available for abstract. So simply go ahead and search for abstract on Galaxy, follow them and complete all of this task. And the last thing is you will need to go ahead and join the Discord. Now once you join the Discord, simply head to Discord and get these roles over here. And the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and verify your Discord account on Abstract Chain. So these are some of the steps as to what you can do in order to farm the Abstract Chain airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.